Okay, so let's learn this simple word guys na igot. Okay, so kahit simple po siya, sometimes it can be confusing para po doon sa mga beginners, no? Okay, so bakit kaya guys? Kasi the literal meaning of igot, it means this thing, no? Kasi itong ito talaga yung this, no? Itong sa Tagalog pa, okay? And then the got means thing. So, itong bagay or this thing. Okay? So, this thing. And sometimes, it can be confusing for beginners kasi nagiging ego na lang siya. So, ego. So, ego po guys is the short form of igot. So, in daily conversation, it can be shortened into ego. And ego is more commonly used in daily conversation than igot. Okay? So, ego and igot, both of them mean the same. So, this thing. Okay? So, pareha lang po siya. However, if you say this noun, so for example, this blah blah blah, so, nauumit na po yung got. Kasi napapalitan na po siya ng specific na bagay. No? Depende po yan sa context. For example, dito, igabang. Okay? So, again, yung meaning niya po is this. And then if you say gabang, yes, the bag. Okay, so igabang meaning this bag. Okay, itong bag. Okay. And then i-check. Okay, i-check means this book. Okay, this book. Okay. And isaram. Okay, isaram meaning this person. This person. Isaram. Kita mo me? I-shimbal. Okay, i-shinbal. Okay, i-shinbal meaning, ano yung shinbal guys? Yes, yung shinbal is the general term for shoes. Okay, so shoes. Okay, so if you say i-shinbal, meaning this shoes, itong sapatos. And then, namu. Okay, yung namu guys, meaning tree. Okay, so if you say i-namu, meaning this tree. Okay, itong punong kahoy. Okay, and then next, okay, kagu. Okay, kagu means furniture. So if you say kagu, meaning this furniture. Okay, so this furniture. And then next part is this one guys, the oat. Okay, so oat. So, alam niyo ba yung meaning ng oat? Yes? Clothes, no? Or dress. Okay? So, if you say iut, okay? So, how to read this one? I, and then ut. So, iut. So, meaning, this clothes. Okay? So, tip lang guys, kasi sometimes you can also see ige. Okay? So, ito. Diba, ige instead of ego or igot. So, ige guys, it's just a short form of igot with a subject particle na i. So, igoshi. Okay? So, igoshi is shortened to ige. Okay? So, mean the same, no? So, it means the same. So, as beginner, you can think of them as the same. So, if you say ige, igo, igot, igoshi, so it can be simplified to just mean this. Okay? This thing. Okay? So, I hope po may natutunan kayo sa video na ito guys.